What's up, pimps and players? My name is Griffin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change out a run capacitor within 50 seconds or less. So really quickly, if you don't know what a capacitor is, it's essentially like a big battery that stores and releases energy for the motors, and if you don't know what you're doing, you can easily get scammed out of hundreds of dollars from HVAC techs this summer. So step number one is obviously going to be turn off the power. We don't want to see you flailing around like a dead fish, getting electrocuted to death. Nobody wants that. So step two of our master plan is actually going to be removing the old capacitor from the unit. And while you're doing this step, I highly recommend you take pictures of where the wires are plugged into. And you want to look at how much capacitance your capacitor actually has, so you know what you're swapping out to. Step number three is going to be really self-explanatory. Take out the wires from the old one and put on the new wires to the new one. Guys, this shit is so easy. My cat could do this. Please don't waste your money this summer. Quick side note, if you're walking up to your unit and you don't know what's wrong with it and you look at your capacitor and it has a pimple on the top of it like that, your shit is bad, bro. You need to change it ASAP. Last step. Screw it in, plug it in, and you're good to go. You're back in business.